What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. We have been away for a while, but we've been busy making some delicious recipes for you guys. The recipe for today is something that's absolutely decadent, sweet, tasty, and can be made within 5 minutes. It's called an affogato. Affogato, it's either a beverage or dessert. You can choose what you want it to be, but it originates in Italy, which literally means ice cream drowned in coffee or espresso. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you do, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking. Okay, first up, we're going to grab our dishing bowl. I'm just using a large glass bowl. And the coffee I'm going to be using is from Mostro di Cafe. Delicious, 10 out of 10 intensity, medium dark roast with absolutely amazing taste. With our glass bowl in place, I'm using some delicious vanilla ice cream. I'll take about 2 scoops. We'll crack open our chocolate. I'm just using some normal milk chocolate from Cadbury. And our delicious Mostro coffee. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. There we go. And then to top it off, we've got some delicious walnuts. Just take them, break them apart. There we go. I'm going to grab our chocolate bar from earlier. Give a nice grating of some delicious chocolate. And for the ice cream, you don't have to use vanilla. You can use chocolate. You can use whatever you want. Whatever your heart desires. And there we go. It's a very, very simple recipe. All done. A delicious affogato. It would have been nice if the ice cream was a bit more round and more frozen. But yeah, what can we do? Such is life. And as you guys know, for the best part of the video, let's grab a bite. Some of the walnuts, chocolate and ice cream and coffee. Cheers. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. My goodness, crunchiness of the walnuts, sweetness of the coffee mixed with the ice cream and the chocolate. It really is to die for. Well, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and click the bell icon too to receive updates on future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.